Kindly mute yourself. Okay. So last class we discussed in this problem. The assumption of the centrifugal force F acting on a particle may depends upon mass m, velocity v, and radius r of the circular path. Derive the relationship of the centrifugal force. Okay, this is one problem. Okay. Now one more problem also we'll discuss. This one you can try. Note the problem, everyone. After we discuss. The time period of simple pendulum depends upon the following physical factors. A. Acceleration due to gravity at a place G. Mass of the pop suspended M. The length of the thread by which it is suspended L. Using the method of dimension, derive the formula for time period of pendulum. The constant of the proportional is 2 pi. This is a question mark. First, you can try. Whether it is right or wrong, no problem. First, you try. Same model. Everyone first write the question. So what is the final answer? The time period T equal 2 pi root of okay. Now we'll discuss. Listen everyone. Okay, from the question, the time period it is directly proportional to acceleration due to gravity. That is a small g power a. Next, mass m power b g m. Next, L power c. This is the first format. For in this equation purpose, you will get 1 mark. Next. Now, in this directly proportional equilibrium purpose, you should add constant T equals 2 pi. They given the constant value 2 pi G A M B, L, C. Now you know that the dimension formula of time period, acceleration due to gravity, mass, and length. So all the value can apply here. So my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So time period, m power 0, L power 0, T power 1, 2 pi, that is a constant. You can use last G value acceleration due to gravity, m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 2. So acceleration due to gravity, both also same only. Power A. Next mass, m power 1, L power 0, T power 0. Power B. Next length, m power 0, L power 1, T power 0. Power C. Okay. So now you can balance. For your understanding purpose, I'm writing step by step. You can go directly also, no problem. M power 0A plus 1B, 1 into B, 1B plus 0C. This is for mass. Next length also. Some students, they are putting here plus ma. No need to put any plus and minus. Okay, you can use bracket otherwise. In case for you confusion, use like a bracket. It is a multiple factor. Okay, next L I am writing ma. In this area no space, so only I am writing down. You can write directly. L power 1A 0B again plus 1C. Next time. So T power minus 2A 0B 0B 0C plus 0B plus 0C. Everyone listen, no need to copy, everyone listen. Okay. Now the mass m power 0 it is no? In this area m power A 1B 1C it is. So how to write? One B equal to one B equal to 0. Okay. Next length ma. So L value also 0. For in this L value 0. or in this side A, C it is A plus C. A value, C value equal to 0. Next, third one, time it is 0. No, it is value is 1. Time value 1 minus 2 minus 2a. So this is the time. So remainder 0b, 0c, no need to write. Minus 2a equal to 1 for the time, or for length 0 equal to 1a plus 1c. Next, mass value m power 0. Here m power 0a plus 1b plus 0c, it is a b value also 0. 1b or b both also same. B value 0. Now the value of A, it is minus 1 by 2. A value minus 1 by 2. I'm just applying for in this equation. Then I will get C is equal to minus 1 by 2 ma. Going in this element, that is a positive, plus 1 by 2. C value plus 1 by 2. A value minus 1 by 2. B value 0. Okay. Now listen, the mark distribution for this purpose 1. This is 1 mark. Next, all the values, you will get 2 marks. A value, B value, C value with the applying method. Finally, the last equation, the time t equal to 2 pi m power a. No need to change, ma. Once you change means you will get the wrong answer. So GML, GML, G power A, M power B, L power C. In case you are writing M, G, L, because B value 0, then you will get wrong answer. So no need to change the format. The order is must. Okay, now I'm applying the values. 2 pi, G value 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, M power, B value 0, mass value, and L value 1 by 2. So in this one, I'm rewriting. See that time t equal to 2 pi root of L by G. 1 by 2 means that is the L. So minus 1, 1 by 2, I will write it down, L by G. So this is the time period and the length gravity formula. How do you know very well? Using dimension formula, we can find in this derivation. Did you understand? Listen everyone. Again, I will explain. From the question, you should take like that. T directly proportional, G power A, M power B, L power C. The directly proportional constant value in question paper they given 2 pi. Otherwise, you can take K also, no problem. Just apply the dimension formula of time, acceleration due to gravity, mass value, length value. Next step, balance the equation, the power values, B equal to 0, A plus C equal to 0, then A value minus 1 by 2, C value plus 1 by 2. In this A value, I'm applying in this equation, I will get C equal to plus 1 by 2. So finally, again write the first equation, T equal to 2 pi, G power A, M power B, L power C, and apply the values, and the final equation 1 mark. Okay. Up to that, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Completed, students? That mark also you can give me distribution and tell me how many marks out of 5. Everyone do self correction. In case you made a mistake, it is also no problem. But without doing, some students are still now they are watching. Okay, okay, like that. It is waste. Practice is very, very important. Without practice, you feel very difficult. Yesterday, I given one work for you. Your long time goal, short time goal. So tomorrow I will ask everyone be ready for that. Long time goal, short time goal. What is your mark out of 5? Roshan, Dhanusri, Joshua, Akash, Ajay, Akshara, Akshaya, Ashwant, Badri, Arshini, Kabilan, Abhinis, Kavin, Leo, Mauli, Naresh, Navajivan, Pranav Raj, Sanjay G, Selvamani, Purya, Darshini, Tamare Chelvan, Vishwarini, Vikrant, everyone mark. Say your marks, whether it's maximum or minimum, no problem. My point of view, I'm thinking you are trying or not. Yeah, very good. See there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 students. What about others? Out of 70, 5 students given reply. The remainders under the typing 3 also you feel difficult. 3, 4, 2, or 5. Okay, next week, test portion, chapter number 1, physical world. Kindly prepare for it. Yeah, Krubashri, good. Okay, will we go for next? Everyone completed? Okay. So next one, the variable and the constant. The physical quantity are two types. One is a variable, another one constant. In variable, classified into two category. One is a dimensional, another one non-dimensional. In constant also categorize two things. One is a dimensional, another one non-dimensional. Okay. So dimensional, velocity, acceleration, force, etc. It is variable only. Velocity also variable. Initial velocity, final velocity, it is there. But it have dimension formula. But non-dimensional, the angle sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, there is no dimension. Flying, strain, refractive index, relative density, specific gravity, there is no dimensional formula. In case you are writing one formula like that, wait a minute. You know the refractive index formula. The refractive index mu is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium. Speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in medium. So this is the refractive index formula. In this formula, you studied in class 10th. Okay. Speed and speed, both are the same quantity. You are taking ratio means there is no SI unit, there is no dimension formula. Speed dimension formula L T power minus 1. Speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in medium also L T power minus 1. So finally you will get 0. But there is no dimension formula. Okay. So two things. One is the dimensional, another one non-dimensional. Next, constant. Now we discuss now 2 pi, k value, 3 by 2, 1 by 4. So this and all, there is no dimensional. But Stephen constant, universal gas constant, capital G. Last class only we discussed universal law of gravitation, base law of gravitation constant. That G also have dimension formula. Okay, so this is some example. Take a notes, variable and constant. Okay, Monday onward, I will go for one more new topic, ma. So don't miss the class. If you have any doubt, dimension formula, dimension analysis, that is a three application. Or if any doubt it is there, you can ask today and tomorrow class. Up to Saturday, you can ask no problem. Anything. So in this model, I want one more problem and teach me any other model like that. If you want any problem extra, you can ask. We'll discuss. So I think so, everyone, the basic idea with you. So how to solve the problem? Actually, it is very easy. Physics problem solving is very easy, but you want to understand the concept and how to apply the values. It is very important task. Listen first. After the listening only, you will get good mark. completed. Shall we go
Sir,
for next?
1 minute.
Yes, ma, carry on. Wait. Okay. The uses of dimension and applications of dimension formula, everything is same only. The consideration of physical quantity from one system into another system, convert one system into another system. So this is the first one, formula. Next, they check the accuracy of physical equation. The equation is dimensionally incorrect or correct. Check the accuracy of a physical equation. Next, the deduction of relationships between different physical quantities. So this is one purpose we discussed today two problems. One is a time period, another one force formula, centrifugal force formula. For check the accuracy purpose, we discuss kinematic equation. Three of motion. V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT, V square is one we discussed. And this purpose, 1 Newton equal to 10 power 5 dyne and 1 joule equal to 10 power 7 erg. So this problem we discuss. Okay. So next one, the limitations of dimension analysis. So dimension analysis also some limitation it is that does not given information about trigonometric function. Trigonometric function means sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. There is a no proper reason. The logarithm, the log also there is no the exponential 10 power 7. This also some complex quantities. There is no proper dimension formula. So that is a one drawback. Note it. The limitations of dimension analysis. First limitation. Okay. Second one, it given no information about pure numeric and non-dimensional constant involved in the physical relation. Pure numeric means 2 by 3, 2 by 4 in this value. Why we want to take like that? There is a constant, right? Next, the non-dimensional constant, 2 pi, k value, there is a no proper explanation. So this is the second disadvantages. Otherwise, limitations of dimensional analysis. Third one, if physical quantity depends on more than three physical quantity in mechanism, then cannot be used this method to derive the relation. More than three physical quantity in the mechanism, then we cannot use. So this is third drawback. Now we discussed all the things correct manner. 1 Newton, 1 joule, and the equation T formula, F formula, and V formula UT. So everything is correct manner. Some problem it will come wrong also. Take a notes. Completed. Okay. So this is your NCERT textbook. Chapter number 2, units and measurement. Or in this unit and measurement, the first introduction part, what is a unit, what is fundamental units, what is derived units, CGS, FPS, MKS, the full form, and SI, the fundamental units, length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, luminance intensity. Next, some basic values, minutes, hour, day, year, degree, tone. Next, so how to measure the length, range of length, measurement of mass, measurement of time. So this is the measurement, how to measure this and all we'll discuss now. Okay, once we go for lesson time, I will explain very detailed. Error, we didn't start error. This one I will start with the Monday onwards. Accuracy, error in the next week. It is also a very interesting topic, errors. Combination of errors. Okay. I think so. In chemistry, you are learning for significant figures. The round of 3.56, you can write 3.5. More than 5, it is means add 1. Significant figures, round of. Again, this general we will discuss after the class. Error analysis. Okay. Now we discussed the dimension of physical quantity 2.8. My screen, it is visible, ma?
No, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Some connectivity problem. Your NCRT textbook, chapter number 2, unit and measurement. For unit and measurement, the very important topic, dimension, dimension formula, dimension significant figures, error. This is very important, 2.6 to 2.10. So all the topic is very important. The introduction part, next system of unit, some base values, measurement of length. We'll discuss again this and that. How to measure the distance, length, mass, time. Next we are discussing error, types of error, the combination of error. Significant figures. Okay. So now we are discussing dimension of physical quantity, dimension formulae, and dimensional equation, the dimension analysis and its application. The first one, check the dimensional constant equation, redact the relationship among the physical quantity. That's all. Okay. So I think so. We covered chapter number 2, maximum. So remainder error only it is there. That error also we'll discuss next class, Monday onwards. So don't miss the class. Next one more few problem it is there, 11 to dimension formula. You can prepare. already given in these notes, ma. You can use it whenever you free. Daily 5-dimension formula, prepare it. Around 97 it is there. Daily 5. At least 50 enough. Class 11th portion, dimension formula enough. Okay. And today homework, 20-dimension formulas now. The physical quantity, the relation with base quantity, dimension formula, SI unit. In this table, any 20 formula. Otherwise, we go for order first 20. Okay, we go for order wise. First 20. Today, this is your homework. Power, up to power, you can prepare. Homework, dimension formula and some important physical quantity and their units. Next, one more thing. Yesterday, I given one extra work. That is your long-term goal, short-term goal. Tomorrow, everyone tell me what is your long-term goal, what is your short-term goal. I need reply from your side. First one. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask.